The Muscat Securities Market is the only stock exchange in Oman. It was established by the royal decree issued on 21 June 1988 to regulate and control the Omani securities market and to participate effectively with other organizations for setting up the infrastructure of the Sultanate's financial sector. After 10 years of continuous growth, there was a need for a better functioning of the market. Thus MSM has been restructured by 2 royal decrees, and the royal decree dated November 9, 1998, which promulgated the new capital market law, provides for the establishment of 2 separate entities: an exchange, Muscat Securities Market, where all listed securities shall be traded, and the Capital Market Authority, the regulatory. The exchange is a governmental entity, financially and administratively independent from the regulatory but subject to its supervision. Thus the securities industry in Oman was well established to enhance investors' confidence by developing and improving all the processes appertaining to the stock market. As a continuing process in the development of the securities market, the MSM has developed its regulations to provide information and financial data relating to the performance of the market and all listed companies, directly to investors through a highly advanced electronic trading system. This will not only ensure transparency of dealings, which is considered to be one of the main principles of fair trading, but will encourage investors to make the right investment decision at the right time. The market has developed its existing system of clearance and settlement by introducing a new mechanism for ensuring stable dealings in securities, as well as providing a better environment attracting foreign investment into Oman. The former settlement mechanism was involving only 3 parties in the clearance and settlement: MSM, Muscat Clearing and Depository Company, and the brokers. The newly introduced settlement formula is through a settlement bank with a settlement guarantee fund. SGF has been established with the contribution of all intermediary companies. It aims to guarantee continuation of settlement processes among intermediaries. Where any of the intermediaries is unable to provide the settlement amount, the SGF would transfer the deficit to the settlement bank on behalf of the intermediary and then collect the same from the intermediary. Thus the settlement would be smoothly completed. Market classification. The regular market has strict listing requirements. For listing on this market, companies must have a solid record of profitability. The parallel market has relatively fewer requirements, and is therefore easier for companies to list on, especially the newly established ones. The third market consists of companies that are facing financial difficulties. Legislative structure. From its inception, Muscat Securities Market has issued instructions and regulations as required to ensure that it attains its objectives and performs its duties and responsibilities with the utmost efficiency and fairness, and in conformity with technical platform of the new electronic trading system, with intensive working on solid infrastructure enabling trading through the Internet. MSM 30 Index. Muscat Securities Market Index was established in 1992, and the base date was June 1990. The number of companies included in the index sample has changed over time to reach currently 30 companies, the most liquid in the market. The main objectives of the MSM 30 are to represent the price movement of the listed shares objectively and to be a benchmark for individual and institutional investors, which guides them through their investment processes. To achieve these objectives, the MSM 30 has the following features. 1. Freely available shares for trading are included only. Any shares which fall under the following will be excluded. founders, government holdings, strategic holdings, locked-in shares, which are not tradable for at least 3 months. 2. A 10% capping is set to ensure wider representation of smaller companies in the index. 3. The free float and capping has been revised on a quarterly basis. The revision is conducted quarterly by end of March, June, September and December. The index sample amendment, on the other hand, takes place in the beginning of July of each year. The sample is selected based on the applicable selection criteria. The MSM 30 index contains 3 sub-indices representing the 3 sectors. Technology. In the area of information technology, the market finalized the procedures with regard to the replacement of the present trading system, which has been operating since 1998, with a more efficient system from Atos Euronext France, which is a very sophisticated system used in many developed markets. The new system ensures provision of the data and information immediately for the supervisory authorities, to enable them activating the regulatory role in trading. The new system broadcasts the trading data immediately to all users and enables the market to add many investment instruments in the future and to make an easy link with the other stock markets in the GCC and other countries. The new system is also expected to make the information dissemination more efficient. Certification. Muscat Securities Market has been awarded ISO 9001-2008 certification for trading of securities. Muscat Securities Market has been awarded ISO 27001-2005 certification for information security management system. Hours. Normal trading sessions are from 10 o'clock to 1300 every day except Fridays, Saturdays and official holidays.